Okay guys, I was taking a deer to the deer processor yesterday, and on the way back I stopped at the yard sale and I got to talking to the person and asked them if they had some knives, and they said no, but they do at home with broken tips and stuff. They sent me some pictures and I offered this crock pot for a trade. So guess what? We made a deal. Morning, buddy. I got the thing here. You put it in the back of you. I can put it in there. Let me put it. Well, thank you, bud.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.
You too.
There they are. We're gonna go over them when I get back home. I'll go ahead and stick my knives in the bag here. Colorado bushcraft. What's up, guys? We're about to look at the knives that I traded for. I gave away a slow cooker or a crock pot, and they gave me some knives that need a repair. How it happened was I was going through Oglethorpe, Georgia, and on the other side of Oglethorpe, four-way stop, there's a truck stop called Sam Wright's. Been there forever. And I seen the yard sale, so I went down there and asked her. She always sits up there on Fridays and Saturdays, so I went down there and asked her, have you got any knives in need of repair or any kind of USA made knives? And she said, well, I don't here, but I have some at home. She says she'll send me some pics, and she did, and I offered her up a crock pot that's just been sitting on the shelf forever. And we made a deal, so it worked out for the both of us, so it worked out good. I got 5 knives, and there's one in particular that I'm going to be repairing very soon and carrying on me for a little while because I really like this knife. So let's check them out. All right, guys, let's check these bad boys out. All right, this one here is a Frontier, broken spring. That blade is bent, needs to be cleaned up real bad. It might be a parts knife, or I might try to repair it. I don't know. It all depends if I got a spring to fit that. This here's a case knife, red bone. That's nice. The bone's in great shape, but the blades aren't. See, they whittled it down. I just don't understand how people can just keep whittling blades down. I just don't see it. This knife was made between 1964 and 1969. It's got all kind of pocket lint in there still. See how this blade is. Yeah, see there? It's ridiculous. I just don't understand folks who keep whittling these blades down. That's a nice knife too. So what I might have to do is try to find a knife with these blades and change out these blades one day. But the shield alone, which the shield is pinned right there, but I have a case knife now that needs a shield, so we'll see. I might keep it to try to find some blades for it. This one here is an old Camp King. You know what? The blades on these things, this thing ain't in bad shape. But this is probably the most cheapest camp knife that you can buy. They really are. They'll do in a pinch, but I wouldn't trust my life with one, put it that way. But you can sell the handles are fake. This just one of the cheapest camp knives that you can ever buy. Camp King. And there's different variations of these. Camp Master, Camp Buddy. They're just all cheap. See how this black plastic will peel off of this here? This one here, it don't say who made that. It just has patent number. I think we're fitting to get some rain, y'all. Yeah, that spring is, oh, that pin. That's what it is, that pin, see? So yeah, we'll be able to, looks like it's got fake handles. It's just a cheap knife. But I should be able to fix that, but it's just a cheap old knife. Might use it for parts. And this one, yeah. But this one was the one I really love right here. See, it's got that broke tip blade. It's a Schrade USA 50T. The lock works good. No wobble in the blade. And on this blade, we're going to be coming from the top down. It's really going to give it a lot of attitude. We're going to be coming from that top down right here. It's going to be a good point. It's going to be a good looking blade too. Good looking blade. See, all that's going to be gone. It's going to be coming straight, curved down really hard right here. Making a nice point right here on the end and keep that original edge, but it's dull now. Whoever had these knives have used them and abused them. But I'm going to have to give it a new edge and sharpen this up. Yeah, this is going to be a fun project. They ought to make a lanyard hole right here for this. And I'm not going to drill into it because, see all that pocket lint in there? But I'm not going to drill in that because that'll mess up the springs. Spring that pushes this up. So you really can't alter and put a lanyard hole in one of these. They're kind of like, it's just a bigger version of the 3OT, and I really like the 3OT as well. But I like that knife. It's perfect size, perfect EDC knife. It's thin, very light. But again, I'm going to be coming from the top down, and it's going to be a good looking blade when I get done with it. This knife's going to clean up very good. Yeah, guys, that's my trade. Not too bad. Case knife, and I know I gave away a big old crock pot, but it was just sitting here and wasn't using it at all, and this is the knife I wanted. I probably could have got them for, I don't know, cash, $10 maybe, but it was worth the trade to me to get rid of that thing and me get these knives, especially for that one. Well, anyway, guys, this is the video. Thank y'all so much for all the support. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for the subscribers that I have. Thank you for the views. Thank y'all so much. I just want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, I'll be like a good knife. Stay sharp.